In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV, but whether you have the Skyworth Android TV or the Skyworth Google TV just like this one over here, following the same steps, you should be able to enable the HDR feature of any Skyworth Smart TV you have. Now, in case you do not know, HDR actually stands for High Dynamic Range, and this is actually a feature that enables you get the best picture quality on your Smart TV. Now, to enable this feature on your Skyworth Smart TV, first things first, you want to head over to the particular HDMI input source where you're streaming from or watching the content from. For instance, I currently have my gaming device connected to one of the input sources on my Skyworth Smart TV over here, so I'll just go ahead and change the input source to that particular HDMI input source. So I'll go over to the settings over here, then go over to the input source and then select the particular input source I want to enable the HDR feature for. So this is actually my PlayStation 5, and to enable the HDR feature now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control. So just head over to your remote control and look for this settings icon over here. Go ahead and click on it, then go ahead and click on the settings icon over here. Now from here, you want to head over to the display and sound settings. Now click on picture settings, and from picture settings you just want to scroll down and then click on advanced settings over here. Now from here, you're going to see the HDR feature over here, so you just want to go ahead and click on it to either enable it or disable this particular feature. By default, it should actually be turned on for a gaming device, but if you're connecting to any other device and you just want to enable the HDR feature, you should be able to do that directly from here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.